How to share the NGO link on Facebook bio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share the NGO link on your Facebook bio. First of all, open up the NGO app on your phone. Once you get into its app, tap to copy link from here. After copying the link from here, head to your Facebook app. When you get into your Facebook account, tap on Menu from the bottom right corner. Now, from here, tap on your profile icon from the top bar. Then, from here, tap to Edit Profile. After that, scroll down in your Edit Profile and look for Bio. Once you find the Bio option, tap on Add. And then, paste your NGO link here in your bio. Once you added your link, tap to save it. Then, get back to your profile and refresh the page. Now, the link is displayed into your bio. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.